Okay, today we're just working on some...
Nope.
Today we're going to be doing some...
Nope.
Today we are going to do some... Guys, I don't know what I'm saying. We just need handle.
You suck.
Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Alec, bringing you the hottest, the most, the gorgeous, the sexiest, the creativity in everything that I do, okay? And if you have not already subscribed to my channel, I guess you should already subscribe, like, comment, and subscribe right here, okay? Alright, let's get it poppin'. So this video is literally a spontaneous one, and when I say spontaneous, that means I don't know what I'm doing, okay? But I promise you guys, I'm gonna be delivering you guys a lot more content, okay? A lot more content, a lot more videos, and that's exactly what I'm doing. So it's pretty much a smoky eye makeup look with a twist. Okay? It's not your usual smoky look. It has a little bit of, you know, warm colors on the outer corners of the crease, then going into the smoky, and then going into like a really light beige color. Okay, you don't know what I'm talking about. I don't know what I'm talking about. Everything that I'll be using, as always, as promised, it will be listed down in the description box right here. I'm not going to be like one of those people that just be like, yeah, I use this, but you don't know what I'm using because I didn't list it down in the description box. I'm not going to be that person. I'm going to be the person that lists the things that I'm using. However, with brushes and that, like the brushes that I use is fairly just, it's not like any, oh my god, here's a Sigma 215. It's not. This is just a MAC one actually. So just let me know how you guys go with brushes, but really it's not that crazy. It's not, I'm just gonna shut up my mouth and just let MsFullFace. Okay, I'm not gonna say anymore. I'm just gonna let MsFullFace do her thing. Let's go. Alright. Okay, starting off, as always, what we're going to use today, we're going to use a primer. I'm just going to use the Fenty Beauty Primer today, guys. A little goes a long way. I'm going to go in with the MAC Stud Eyebrow Styler. And this is where you hear my voice coming from far away. You know, voiceover just seems to work a little bit better for me, guys. Before I applied the MAC Eyebrow Styler, just give it a good brush. Just give your eyebrows a nice good brush. You can see my eyebrows is still not done. Best believe you, my third video would be tutorial is going to be so much better, obviously, so much better. And going in with my Zoeva 317 to just conceal those eyebrows. My next tutorial will definitely be emphasizing on just my eyebrow, so yeah, I'm gonna really emphasize on that, and I'll show you other tips and tricks what I've learned along the way. So stay tuned for that. And to just fill in my eyebrows, I'm using a MAC Shape and Shade Brow Tint in the color Stud. You know how it is, guys. This is the same thing I've been using in my last video. Same thing I'm using now. I don't think I'm going to change anytime soon because, like, when I love a product, I love a product. And I hope that you guys can give it a go someday too. Don't give a shit. I'm repping NT, Great Northern. And then just blending that with the Beauty Blender, preferably wet. And for foundation, I'm coming in with the Nars Natural Radient in the shade New Caledonia. the last time I said New Caledonia, sorry guys, New Caledonia, and the Tooface Born This Way in Chestnut. Can I just tell you how much anything that just has a name that says chestnut is just bomb? Like lip liner, chestnut, bomb. Foundation, bomb. Like it's just like, whoa. I just love it. I just love it because every chestnut I've used has been amazing. So yes, we're all about that. And we're just gonna apply that to the whole face. You don't have to mix your foundation. I just tend to. I just find it like the Nars gives you just like that full coverage, and then the Tooface gives you that nice glow to your skin. I don't know if it does it to everybody, but for me, that's why I fell in love with it. It just gives you this nice glow, you know, so it doesn't take out too much. It doesn't make you look watch out. I mean, washed out. Guys, English is thick these days, man. I can't. But yeah, anyways, it just makes it look so much better. For highlight, I'm using my concealer in the shade NW15. As you see, this concealer gets used a lot. It's been going from different places, place to place. So you know it's a good concealer when you can use it for everything. And that's what we're doing. We're just setting it with the Fenty Pro Filt'r Instant Retouch. For my beautiful contouring, it does not get any easier than this. I just use my Lime Creme palette in the shade Creation and Icon. You guys know how it is. I just be using the same thing. There's nothing here that has changed except for I got my hair done, you know. I got a nice fresh fade. If you guys want to see a funny video on that, let me know because I actually recorded that. So I just don't know whether I should put it up or not because it was hectic. But if you guys want to see it, let me know. Just write down in the comments. And if I see a lot of people saying yes, I like show it. I'ma show it. Okay, moving straight to my eyes because I'm talking too much and everything's moving too fast for me. Coming in with my Exotic Pop palette, we're going in with the shade Earthrick again, and this shade's going to be a transitional shade, so we're just going to apply it on the outer corner of our eyes and just really buff it out as much as you can, but still, you know, making the color visible so when we add the rest of the colors it looks nice. And then we're going in with the Unapologetic shade, which is the black, and I'm just applying that just underneath where we've applied the first color, and then just buffing that out as you go. And then after I applied that, I'm just going to add my concealer, which is, here we go again with the NW15 concealer. We're just applying that from the inner corner of our eyes, just a little bit past halfway, and where we've just applied the concealer, we're gonna add the shade Editor from the Exotic Pop palette. The liner that we're using today is the Noir eyeliner, but it's from Sephora. It's a really nice liner. I really like it. It's so good. It's not hard to take off when the night ain't young no more. So it's just great. I love it. You don't have to be scrubbing your eye makeup off. That's the worst thing I hate. And it's Noir. It's French for black. So the last time, guys, I was uneducated. Now I'm coming educated, honey. Okay, so I've also applied the
Where's your pot? Hi. Was that you coming like that?
My car is not here. I've applied the eyeliner above where the cut of the creases, and then I just buffed it out a little bit with a brush, just so it's not too, the line's not too prominent. However, if you want that look, you can also go ahead and do it. For mascara, we're using the Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir. And for my eyelashes, I'm still using the same lashes from last time, guys. This lashes is bomb. I have not overused it yet. It still looks nice. It still looks clean. I'm still using it. Yeah. And then for contouring, I'm using the Creation and Icon from the Lime Crime palette, and then I'm just buffing that out with an inglot brush. For blush, I'm just using the shade Mousse from the Lime Crime palette with the 3SS brush. I just went in with the black Shape and Shade brow tint just to add a little bit more definition to the inner corners of my eyes, just above the crease. I thought I just wanted to make it a little bit more popping, so I went back with that. Oh guys, this highlighter is so good. It's the Makeup Addiction Bronzified highlighter. This highlighter, the way it comes off is exactly the way it looks in real life. I'm not even gonna lie. Like, it's just, even sometimes you just gotta like settle it down a little bit because it's just like too overpowering, which I love. I love overpowering things. Like makeup that just gives you that boom, like, you know, it's the best. For my lips, I am applying the Retro Matte Liquid in the shade So Me. This is my absolute favorite lipstick. I cannot emphasize enough. Absolute favorite lipstick. You know, so when I add Night Moth and this lipstick together, that's it. My life is set. Just to clean up my lips a little bit more, I just added the concealer again. And this just kind of makes your lips look a little bit more sharp. Lastly, set it with a setting spray of your choice. Just go back and fix whatever needs to be fixed. And that is it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.